Beautiful place, you know. It's very far from the city area. It is almost, you can say, from the Nha Trang city, it is 60 kilometers. And it's a very small village, we can say the bank of the sea. And there are some constructions, means some work is going on there. Because these things, you can say this one, these things, they want to expand and they want to have a beautiful place. And people should come here, for people, like it's a very nice and tourist place. You see the boats are very kept clearly. The water is very clear. The place is very nice, very clear, very beautiful. Yes. Today I'm here near this beautiful place, and today I'm working with NGO, that is non-profit organizations, and it is nice to have this place.